In this worked example, using subgoal labels to evaluate an expression in the Java programming language, we will be looking at sequences of assignment statements. These are the subgoals that we'll be using. Here's the problem statement. We have a declaration of three integer variables, x, y, and z, followed by a series of assignment statements. After these assignment statements are executed, we then want to know what are the values of x, y, and z. Let's begin by looking at the subgoals and the first two assignment statements. We can see that the values on the right-hand side of these assignment statements are integers and are valid values. The variables on the left-hand side, x and y, are both declared as integers. Therefore, they can receive integer values. So for the first statement, we have x is assigned the value 7. So 7 then is copied into the value of x. Y is assigned the value of 13. 13 is copied into the variable y. Looking at the next statement, we have z is assigned the value x. The resultant data type of the right-hand side is an integer, as x was declared an int. The data type on the left-hand side, z, is int. So we are looking to copy the expression from the right-hand side, x, into the variable z. So the value 7 is now copied into the variable z. Looking at the next statement, x is assigned the value of y. Again, because they are all declared as integers, we can assign an int to an int. Looking at the right-hand side, we evaluate the expression. The variable y has a value of 13. That is then copied into the variable x. So 13 is copied into the variable x. The next statement is y is assigned the value of z. Again, they're all integers, so an int can be assigned to an int. We take the expression on the right-hand side, z, which currently has a value of 7, and copy it into the variable y. So 7 then is copied into the variable y. At the end of these expressions, the variables would have the following values. X would have the value 13, y would have the value 7, and z would have the value 7. That is the end of this worked example.